All right, hey everybody, it's Mrs. Wheaton again. So I skipped school yesterday / bean documenting because nothing changed. So on my chart, I did cross out day 3 and I wrote day 4 because I was unimpressed with what was going on yesterday. I'm also kind of mostly unimpressed with what's going on today. It doesn't seem like there's a whole lot. I've noticed that my beans are pretty slimy, and going into that. I also noticed there's a couple of my beans have like a little bump on them, kind of next to that belly button that I was talking about. So let me see if I could get you guys a good picture. So can you see that this side is low and that there's like a little hump right there? Can you see that maybe? I don't know if you can or not. But I've noticed that on several of my beans, so I'm hoping that maybe there's like a sprout under there, and you could even see kind of bumping up right there. So I'm hoping that means that there's something in there. My paper towel looks pretty nasty. I think it's because I've had it actually in the sun, and so it's maybe growing some gross stuff. So I'm going to try to put it somewhere a little bit shadier for now, after I spritz it down. So anyway, I made sure to write all of those things that I just told you in my notes. So like I said, I wrote that they were slimy. I wrote that there was a swollen spot near it, and then I drew what a normal bean looks like, and then I drew kind of like that little bump thing that is on one side of my beans. So hopefully that helps you. I hope that your bean cup isn't looking nearly as gross as mine. Maybe you're better at taking care of it. I really don't know what's going on, why it's so gross. But yeah, that's that. So anyway, how many of you watched church today? I did. It was kind of weird, but like nice to have. I was in my jammies. I got to make my tea while I was doing it. So, you know, there are good and bad things. So anyway, that's that. And I have a little experiment for you guys that you can do at home, hopefully, because it involves all normal things. So this is a little bit of baking soda. In here, I have some vinegar. Everybody knows that when you put baking soda and vinegar together, they bubble. And then I have a birthday candle. Some of you might have seen this on DIY Sci with me. And so I tried it a couple of times and it didn't work, but now I think I know the secret. So hopefully I will be able to get it to work for the video. So I'm gonna light my birthday candle. Be careful when playing with fire. Be sure to get your parents' permission before you do this, if you're choosing to do this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pour that vinegar into the baking soda. It's going to bubble up. Oh, too much. Okay, and now I'm gonna kind of cover it to kind of trap that gas in there. And then once it settles down, I'm gonna very carefully take it, lift it, and try to pour out that gas. Oh, you can see I did it! It did it! I did it! It's amazing! And so the reason that it does that is because if you didn't know already, fire needs oxygen to breathe and keep burning. And when you mix vinegar and baking soda together, it actually creates CO2, carbon dioxide, which will actually put out the fire. So that was that. That was a cool little experiment. I'm sure you guys would love to do it over and over and over again because fire, am I right? So anyway, I hope you're all having a lovely Sunday and that your beans aren't gross like mine. And if they are, that's okay, because I'm pretty sure something's gonna be happening soon. Like that little bump, I can feel it, right? Anyway, remember, if you haven't already, subscribe to the videos and then you'll be able to see them.